Welcome to the Concrete Mat Xpress installation training. First of all, here's what we will be looking at during this training session. The mat's characteristics. New feature, we can now staple the Mat Xpress. How to choose the right mat length. Flextherm's quote service, useful, quick, and free. The prerequisites for a good installation. The list of necessary material and tools. The installation standards. Planning and installation. Installing is the quickest part. After the installation. And some videos are available to guide you in your future installations. What's the Concrete Mat Xpress? It's a 6-watt per linear foot cable that is secured at every 6 inches to self-adhesive fiberglass mesh. The mat has a standard width of 24 inches. If needed, the mesh can be cut but never the cable. The mat can be installed under a concrete topping or slab. We consider the topping as having a depth of between 1.5 inch to less than 3 inches. It can be made of different materials, including a self-leveler, lightweight concrete, mortar bed, or other similar products. A concrete slab should have a minimum depth of 3 inches and a maximum depth of 6 inches. The mat is best installed in square or rectangular rooms with few obstacles to go around. The main advantage is that it's super quick to install. The cable can now be stapled using a stapler adapted to electric cables, which means that the end of the stapler is rounded to properly center the stapler over the cable. This will help avoid punching a staple through the cable. We recommend using 7/8 inch long staples for a solid anchoring. The width between each leg of the staple must be at least 5/16 of an inch. T25 type staplers are not appropriate since the width between each leg of these staples is only 1/4 of an inch. How to choose the right mat length. The bigger the surface, the higher the coverage percentage will be, and inversely. We recommend a coverage between 90% and 98%. Imagine the coverage of a 1,000 square foot room. 98% of this coverage represents 980 square feet, which leaves us with a 20 square foot leeway. 98% of 60 square feet represents 58.8 square feet, which leaves us only with a 1.2 square foot leeway. This small room to maneuver may be an issue when installing a mat. Every room is a unique case, and buffer zones along hot walls become quite important. The main difference between an installation under a concrete topping and under a concrete slab is the fact that under a slab, the mat can be installed under fixed objects, while under a concrete topping it cannot.